Hello friends, this is GK Soni, a research scholar like you, presenting some interesting MCQ series on research methodology coursework. And my channel name is Bharat Skill Badhao, and I am from Chhattisgarh, India. This video will be helpful in Viva Voce exam, in various MCQ exams, and for enhancement of your knowledge. So let's start. Question number one. To gain familiarity with a phenomena or to achieve new insight into it comes under exploratory research study, means answer number C. To determine the frequency with which something occurs or it is associated with something else comes under. So it should be diagnostic research study, option number B. Now, question number 3. To portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual or situation or a group comes under. So, whenever any person is concerned for study, then descriptive research study should be the answer. So, option number C. Now, fourth question. A CID performs investigation on a murder case and solve it comes under. It should be analytic research study. Why? Because CID needs to collect data and then he apply logic and analyze it and then come to result. So it should be analytical research. Now, question number 5. Knowing shopping frequency and preferences of people comes under which category of research? So it should be descriptive research, means option number A. Now, the main characteristics of uh, research is that it has no control over variables under study. So it should be descriptive research. Now, gathering knowledge for knowledge sake is nothing but D, fundamental research. Now, question number 8. Which is an example of applied research? So, COVID-19 vaccination research, atom bomb research, classical mechanics research. These all sorts are research are for application in real life. So, all are the correct answers. So, option number D. Now, developing relativity theory comes under. So, it should be a fundamental kind of research. So, option number D is correct. Now, question number 10. Motivational speeches comes under. It should be qualitative research. Okay. Now, 11th. Which is an example of qualitative research? Story completion test, atom bomb discovery, classical mechanics, all of the above. So, it should be story completion test. Now, how a people think comes under. So, it should be qualitative research. For which type of research needed guidance from psychologists? So it should be qualitative research, option number A. Now 14th number question. Research which is based on measurement is nothing but empirical research, where the measurement is very important. Okay. Now 15th. Research which is related to some abstract ideas or theories is. So, philosopher or thinker uh, which generate some abstract ideas or theories is called conceptual research. So, option number A. Now, 16th, which research will need to study the human behavioral science? So, it should be qualitative research. Option number A. Now, 17, the philosopher or thinker use this research to contemplate ideas or theory. So, contemplation of ideas or theory is conceptual research, means option number B. Now, 18th, research which is based on observation or data or facts without due regards for theory and system is nothing but empirical research, where the theory is not as much important as data or facts or observation. Okay. Now, 19th, research which needs a working hypothesis is empirical research. In empirical research, basically a working hypothesis is needed, and then researcher collects data, and then he execute his research work and then generate result. So option number D is correct answer. Now question 20. Research approaches can be categorized as qualitative and quantitative, means option number A. What is longitudinal research? Research carried over several time period, means option number A. Now 22, research which is used to solve the immediate socio-economic problem is applied research, means option number C. Now 23rd question, a researcher has published 4 papers which have been cited by 3, 4, 5, 6 authors respectively. Suggest his paper H index. So it should be 3 according to the definition of H index. And likewise, question number 24 can also be solved. The question is, researcher has published 10 papers with citation of 1, 2, 3 up to 10. What will be his H index of publication? So it should be 5, means answer C. Now 25th question, what is I-10 index? So according to definition, answer A is correct. That is, researcher has published at least 10 papers with citation more than or equal to 10. Now question number 26, impact factor depends on published paper in y-1 and y-2 years. Okay, option number A. Higher impact factor shows higher citation. Basically, the definition of impact factor is, it is nothing but a higher number of citation divided by published paper in y-1 and y-2 years. So it is proportional to the number of citations. So higher the citation, higher the impact factor. So option number A. Now question 28, which is set and subset? So methodology is set and method is subset. So option number A. Now 29, the characteristics of sample is same as that of universe or population in simple random sampling. Option number C. Question 30, survey are conducted in case of which research study? So descriptive research study is the answer. Option number A. Now experiments are part of which type of research study? So it should be option number B, experimental research. Now surveys are more appropriate for social and behavioral science, means option number A, and it is used in descriptive research. Okay, now 33 question. So experimental research are generally confined research in lab, means option number A. So I think dosto this will be helpful for you. Now thank you for watching.